Get to the screen, my phone here. So you guys can stop looking by instead looking by my phone and nothing. Here it is. Listen. Oops. Okay. Add more lights and then we're done. And let's go to the sets. Episode 3? Yeah, 3, like that. Or 4, I don't know. Anyway, here's Pinky now. Pinky now, what are you even wearing? You have to go down there with your suitcase. Good. There's Pinky now right here. Oh, now I'm bored at playing at this, isn't it? We've got a lot of fun at eating these delicious fibers or cereal. Isn't that Pinky now? Of course we are. These fibers are really healthy and it's delicious. Then Sparky ran up and said, "Black, I hate fibers. Can't I even have some snacks instead of those boring fibers? Oh well, let's just go home. I'm just too boring out here. Friends, I cannot even make one." Oops. But we made a lot just by asking their names and talking about some of themselves and ask them if they can be our friends, then they will be agreed. Kind of like this. "You'll be the puppet. Hold the doll for me, please." "Sure." Let me. Okay. Hello. Hello. What's your name? "I am Flamingo Girl. And what's yours?" "I'm the one from Squid Game." "Cool. Let's be friends, okay? I saw your black mask is really cool." "Oh, thank you. Let's be friends and play together." "See? I told you. That's really easy." Oh well, I don't care. Let's just go home instead. I already want to go home now. Then they pack up their suits. Then, from nowhere, Sparky grabbed up Junie and squeezed her in there and closed the suitcase. Then Pinky now asked, "What are you doing? Why are you squeezing my suitcase?" "That because I don't want it to be open and I like it want to be closed. So it will be perfect more." Man. Anyway, let's just go home instead. Where's the button? "Hey, Pinky." "Yes?" "Where's the button to go outside?" Oh, Flamingo Girl, it's just over there. You only have to press the black button over there, then you can go out freely. Everyone does that when they want to go home. Well, do you remember where's your ticket?" "Here's my ticket." Oh, no. Wait, you said it wrong. You mean our ring. So, let's go, guys. You all have to remember your rings. Then Sparky said, "Oh no, I lost my ring. But oh well, I can go through there sneakily." When she sneakily goes and press the button and go out of it. Well, she goes too fast that the camera cannot do that. But diddly, it still can got a little thingy like this. After that, she goes in with the wand and the camera do it like this. They can see her face. And Pinky now also goes through too. She She hold it like this. No, she put it on her head and goes like this. The camera shot caught her like that. Then we all go through and leave their tickets behind. With also a suitcase too. That time, a kid saw that Pinky forgot her suitcase. So it cute sugary egg sneakily put on her ring and then push it to the camera. It rolls and rolls and rolls and past the camera. It's shaped like this, and then it goes through and it hit the black button. Then they all go home. So let me move the seats. So it maybe got a little needed of time. Where's the fucking box? Oh, here it is. You guys may a little wait for a little. Hey, meanwhile. Yeah, that is true. Meanwhile. Okay, gonna move the scenes. Wish I know how to cut it and put it back into real video. Kinda like that. Good. Now push it closely to there. You see it? Good. Good. You can't see it. Correct? Or something? I don't know. Maybe a little bit like this. With a little bit like this. Oi! Oi, 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 oi. No, not good, not good, not good. Here. Mostly better, isn't it? Okay. Oh, come on. Let me try. Okay. Let's just do like this. Then it will be real, okay. Let me bring all our main character. Also with Pinky now. It rolls home, roll, and it flops and falls down. Really okayly. Then those kid goes inside and rests their head on the bed. Ah! Oh my. Our Pori! You cannot stand up here! Whew. Good thing I rescued her. From near. A little bit annoying. Sparky ran up on her bed and then she sat down very, very good. That time Pinky rests her heads on the bed and Flamingo Girl rests her bed. Really? I hate this. Good. Much more better. Then soon, the mommy goes in. Hello, girls. How do you play? Then all of the girls said very weenie entirely. We're good. We love to play out here, said Sparky. We love to play out here. Out here got so many good things. It like slides, making dolls, and Pinky said. And we got painting and cooking here too. It's so good. We love the fibers that they feast us. It's so delicious. Then two of them chuckled, and also the ugly mom chuckled too. Then she said, well, the good thing is today I do got some bubbly nubbly soup for y'all all. Let me just go to the kitchen and take it. You guys may wait. The mommy goes to the kitchen and take her soup. Yeah, her soup with the sauce. She goes and put the sauce on the ground. Then she goes and putting up her, oh come on, the bubbly soup. The soup is really delicious, even when it looks a little bubbly and scary. But if you add on the sauce, it will be tasting amazing. Let me try to do this. Try to squeezing the sauce on her hands. Oh, finally, it's squeezed on. Good. Only need to pour on the sauce, then it will be taste amazing. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it out for you. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Good. I'm gonna take the sauce away for you to all enjoying them. And also, who the two kids when they done and no. Our dessert was this yummy really. Oops. This was this real yummy raspberry cake. And I must put it on the floor. Hope all my kids all eat the dinner. Then Pink Dino start to go there. And she sniffed and sniffed. It smells good, she said. So does that mean it not? Your mom is not the sauce. Well, Sparky saw the raspberry cake and she jumped right out. She landed by her dirty foot on Pink Dino's bed and she flipped. Then bumped her head on the ground. She did a little cry and scratch. Then she loved the raspberry cake a lot. Then she started to pick a piece off and eat. Then Flamingo Girl stopped her. Stop it, cousin. You must eat this bubbly soup first. In us, it was not an imposter. Try to smell it. It smells good. She smelled. Then she knows it smells really good, but then she did a little black. It's gross. I would stay away from it forever. It's too gross. Then she walked away and far away to the corner of the room where the door was. Then she played with the softball out there. Meanwhile, two of them were eating the delicious, delicious bubbly soup that would never taste. After that, oops. Oh well. After that, Sparky doesn't know that they finished the bubbly soup. Then they start to eating the cake. Then Sparky saw the chomping and gobbling. Then she turned back and she saw them eating the raspberry cake. She yelled, "No, no, no!" She hollered, "No, no, 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 no! This raspberry cake is mine! Give it!" Then two of them take back. We still left some of the soup for you. This is the dessert, not the main course. You must eat the bubbly soup first. Don't be too jealously. They're delicious. Then she started holding up them to her nose. She sniffed them again and then she licked. She licked. And she licked. She saw them were delicious, so there she kept on eating. Nom 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 nom. They're so yummy. Then she said, these are delicious. Where do you get them? Then Flamingo Girl said, if you want to eat the dessert, you must stop being jealously about us. Then she said, okay, I'm feeling like you're really good friends. and you're teaching me a small lesson. Don't be jealously about friends. Friends are the best person in the whole world. Then two of them all agreed. They were all eating the dessert together. Whew. Finally, the title can change at here into the bestest friend in the whole world. And maybe you also learn a lesson, isn't it? You know, the lesson was don't be too jealously about friends. You know, you don't even know that friends are the goodiest people and they're never mean to you. Even my bestest friend, I love them a lot. And I love to contact them. I contact them at Zello too. Well, at school, I love them a lot. We're always play together. Hope y'all learned that lesson, and let's see the last part. Then after that, we're all giggling together. Then Sparky take the dish and the bowl up to the kitchen and tell to her mom to clean it. Her mom was surprised that today Sparky was never smiled before. She was only keep on sneering all day. But this time she smiled and she giggled and she know how to chuckle and laughing. The mom was really surprised. She thought Sparky was sick, so she quickly ran down there and hugged Sparky. What is wrong with you? Why did you today? You're so weird. Then Sparky answered, just because today, my cousin and my friend was really nice today. I like them. So today I can start being nice. And I want to be nice. Then the mom put her down and said a few with a small happy sign. And she said, maybe you guys would need to get some good rest. Then you can be asleep because you need to sleep early because for tomorrow we're going camping. Yay, camping! We're loving camping. So Sparky asked, can we bring makeups? Then Paintino disobeyed. I thought you're being normal again. Then she turned back and said, that's only a little joke. Now I'm matting with my makeups now. My lipstick has been broken and my eyeshadows are goes away and falling on my makeup table. And all them chuckled together. The mom said, tomorrow you have to wake up early. You have to wake up at 5 a.m. That because you have to be packed tomorrow or today. So be sure that you pack today, or you might doesn't got anything to go to camping tomorrow. But she goes away with a happy chuckle. And I never do this series that short before. Well, remember, this is for episode 4. Bye-bye.